There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making coconut buns. So I will be showing you how I got these amazing buns. Thank you for coming. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Press on the notification bell so anytime I upload you will get it. And for my old subscribers, I want to appreciate you all. Thank you so much for being there for me, for coming back. So thank you. So these are the ingredients, and this is flour, all-purpose flour, and this one is sugar, this is salt. So this one is milk, it's just normal milk. So I'll be using 3 eggs, and this one is butter, this is baking powder, and vanilla. You can add something else. This is shredded coconut and coconut water, the one I got from the coconut, and this is the coconut itself. I've already washed it and scraped it. This is coconut oil, so I'll be adding it inside the oil I will be using to fry. So I'll add it inside this one, so we give it that flavor you want. So I will just slice the coconut very little, so it can be easy to blend. So I'm going to blend it. I'll be using the milk to blend it because I don't want to add water. But if you want, you can also use water if you like it, because I don't want extra water or whatever inside. So I decided to use the milk itself. So I will start with the filter. I will filter it very well. You see, you can also use this one later. You can just dry it. This is the milk. I'm going to break the egg. I will mix everything together, like something like eggs, milk, everything, vanilla. I will just mix everything and keep it aside. So I'll add the vanilla now. And the coconut milk and milk itself. So this is the coconut water. I melt it a little bit so it will be easier. So you just have to match it very well. Match. So I will be washing my hands now. We have to make sure that our hands is always clean. So wash it very well before you start. So this is it. So I'll be adding the mixture I did. So you just have to make sure that it's not so thick, it's not so light. So it's going to be average, you know, in the middle. Because if it's so thick, you will not like it. Or if it's so light, you will not also like it. So it's better it's in the middle, average. So I'm just using my spoon to make it very smooth. You see, I didn't use machine because I don't think my machine will work for this. So I will cover it. I will leave it for 20 minutes. I will just leave it for 20 minutes before I will start frying. So this is after 20 minutes. I'm back. So we're going to start frying. So you just have to turn it, stir it a little bit. Then before we start frying the buns. So I'm going to add the oil now. So I will be adding this vegetable oil. Is it vegetable? Oh, flower oil. Don't mind me, please. So you see, I mixed two of them so that it will give you that flavor. We want coconuts. So you have to start frying with average heat, not so hot, not so cold. Is it cold? No. So just do it average, Jerry. But not so low, because if it's too low, you will not like it also. That means the oil will absorb inside the buns. So at least, let's say, for example, your gas is 9, up to 9. So you just have to put it in 7. So it will be okay. Because if it's too high, it will just spoil the buns. You see, it's golden brown now. You see the way it is? So you can use your hand and put it, or you can use copper, anything you like. But in this case, I prefer using my hand because it's more easier. So I'm adding this shredded coconut, but if you don't want it, you can also leave it, or I just want it. It's really nice, guys. You have to try this. Try this and tell me how you feel, and if you like it, just tell me about it. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.